Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Last Sunday we talked about Unit 10. Let's now move to the word and phonics time. The first word is department store, department store, hospital, hospital, restaurant, 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 bookshop, bookshop, bakery, bakery, chemists, chemists, puppy, puppy, dream, dream, truck, truck, answer, answer, disc, disc, was, where, butter, butter, aeroplane, aeroplane, ticket, ticket, crab, crab, cry, cry, drum, department store, hospital, restaurant, bookshop, bakery, chemists, puppy, dream, truck, answer, disc, was, where, butter, aeroplane, ticket, crab, cry, drum. Ali Ahmed, do you hear me? Do you hear me? Ali Ahmed. Okay, could you please read these words again? Ali? Yes. 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 Chemists.
Bubble, dream, truck, answer, this, was, where, vista, butter, aeroplane, ticket, crab, cry, drum.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Thank you, Ali. Now, Ahmed Abdul Min'am. Ahmed Abdul Min'am, do you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, could you please read these words? Department store, department store.
Answer.
Which words?
Hospital.
Hospital.
Desk.
Ahmed, please, could you look to the screen? Look at the screen. Look at the screen and read these words from the screen of the mobile or from the laptop. Department store, hospital.
Hospital.
Yes.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Bookshop.
Bookshop, very good.
Bakery.
Bakery. Yes.
Chemist.
Chemists.
Bobby.
Puppy.
Bobby.
Puppy.
Dream.
Dream.
Bobby.
Yes.
Dream. Truck.
Truck. Answer.
Answer.
Yes.
Desk.
Disc.
Wall. Where.
Yes.
Butter. Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. Ticket.
Crab.
Cry. Drum. Very good.
Drum.
Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you. Omar Abu Bakr, do you hear me? Omar Abu Bakr. Yes. Could you read?
Yes.
Yes, read please.
Yes. Department store.
Department store.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Restaurant. Bookshop.
Quickly, please.
Bakery.
Chemists.
Puppy.
Dream. Truck. Answer. Disc. Okay, thank you, Omar. Thank you. Answer.
Was.
Disc, was, where, butter, aeroplane, ticket, crab, cry, and drum. Also, last Sunday, we talked about verb to be in present and in past. And we said that we divide verb to be in present form into am, is, are. We use am with I, with the subject pronoun I. And here we have the short form of am, apostrophe m. And here we use is with he, she, it, or singular noun. And here we have the short form for is, apostrophe s. And here are with you, we, they, or plural noun. And the short form of are is apostrophe r, e. And also we talked about the negative form for am. It will be am not, are not, is not. Okay? But for the past, we divide the verb to be in past into was or were. We use was with I, he, she, it, or singular noun, but we use were with you, we, they, or plural noun. And also we talked about the negative form for was is wasn't, okay, or was not, and the negative form for were is weren't or were not. And we talked about the key words for the past. We use the past, or we use was, were. If we have the word yesterday, last week, last year, last month, last August, last Friday, and here we have the word ago, 2 days ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 months ago, something like that. We have once upon a time, or once, and here we have one day. All of these are keywords for the past. For example, when I say I was at the bookshop, okay, the negative form, I wasn't at the hospital. They were at the bookshop. They weren't at the hospital, okay? Now, let's move to this exercise. We have number 1, look whose birth is, who can answer? This, whose birth is this. Whose birth is this. Number 2, maybe it's hers. Let's ask. L-E-T apostrophe S. Let's ask. Is this your purse? Is this your purse? Is this your purse? B-U-R-S-E. Is this your purse? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so again, look, whose purse is this? Maybe it's hers. Let's ask. Is this your purse? Yes, it is. Thank you so much. Punctuate. Here, no, you have to start it in capital letter. You have to write capital N here. After yes or no, we have comma. Okay. No, there isn't. Here we have missing apostrophe, and at the end we have to put full stop. So capital N, after no we have comma, and here isn't, we have apostrophe, and at the end we have dot. We have dot. Is it easy? Okay, let's move to the next page. Here, the first picture, we were at the museum. We weren't at the bakery. We were at the museum. We weren't at the bakery. Number 2, who can read? Amir.
Yes.
Number 2, can you write a sentence here using he or using was or were? He was at the?
Yes.
He was at the?
Bakery.
He was at the bakery. So here you have to write the word bakery, B-A-K-E-R-Y. Yes. He wasn't at the?
Museum.
He wasn't at the museum. Excellent, Amir. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Abdullah Gad. Abdullah, do you hear me? Okay. They space
Yes.
at the school. They space at the school. They was or were? They they was or were? Huh? They was or they were? Where? They were. They were at the hospital. They weren't at the restaurant. Very good. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T. Very good. Thank you, Abdullah. Thank you. Number 4. Number 4. Let's ask Muhammad Mustafa. Number 4. Let's ask Muhammad Mustafa. Wait for me.
She wasn't.
Muhammad, do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Number 4.
She was at the cinema.
She was at the cinema. She was at the cinema. Yes, very good. She space at. She was not. Very good. She was not. She was not at the bookshop. Excellent. Okay. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you. Let's now ask Usama. Usama. Number 5. Number 5, Usama. Do you hear me? Usama? Usama, do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Yes, okay. Number 5, please. I was at the chemist's. C-H-I-M-I-S-T apostrophe S. Yes, very good. I wasn't at the department store. Very good. The department store. Excellent, Usama. Thank you. Thank you, Usama. Now let's ask another one. Yusuf Alam. Number 6, please. I wasn't at the
bookshop.
I wasn't at the bookshop. Very good. Could you spell bookshop?
B-O-O-K-S-H-O-P.
Yes, very good. I
I
wasn't at the cinema. Excellent. C-I-N-E-M-A. Very good. Thank you, Yusuf. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, here, mute. And here, on. Okay, now turn to the next page. We have a picture. Look at this picture. Let's ask Khalid Rifki. Khalid, do you hear me? What can you see in this picture, Khalid? What can you see? First, look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? Yes.
I can see bakery.
A bakery, yes, I can see bakery.
Hospital.
I can see a hospital, yes. I can see a baker. And here we have a patient.
I can see a doctor.
A doctor and an ambulance. Okay, could you read the first sentence, please, and write true or false? Number 1.
There is a cinema. False.
There is a cinema. False. Number 2. There is. Read number 2 also. Read number 2. There is.
There is a restaurant. False.
False, of course. False. Number 3. There is.
There is a bakery. True.
True. Very good. True. Number 4. There is.
There is a hospital. True.
True. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Khalid. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
Let's now ask another one. Ask Yusuf. Yusuf Alam. Look and answer the question. Look and answer question. Yusuf Alam. Yusuf Alam. Yusuf. Yusuf Alam. You hear me? Yusuf Alam. Okay. Let's pick up another one. Yusuf Izzat. Yusuf Izzat. Yusuf Izzat, you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Answer the first question.
Is this a cinema?
Is this a cinema?
Yes, this is.
Yes, it is. Wait for me. Yes. Oh, what's wrong? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, number 2, Yusuf, please. Number 2.
What is this?
Yes.
It's a museum.
It's a museum. It is a museum. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yusuf Alam and Yusuf Izzat. Let's ask another one. Muhammad Basyuni. Who's Nagla? Hey, do you hear me? Hello? Oh my God. Ziad, do you hear me? Ziad? Ziad, do you hear me? Okay. Number 3, please, Ziad. Where is she?
She is at the library.
She is at the library or bookshop. She's at the bookshop or she's at the library. Very good, Ziad. Number 4. Could you answer number 4 again? Again, number 4, please, Ziad. Is this a restaurant? Is
No,
this?
it is.
No, it isn't. Excellent, Ziad. Very good. No, it isn't. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Read and circle the odd one out. Number 1, we have a chicken, milk, fish, meat. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, do you hear me? Nagla. Nagla. Nagla.
Yes.
Who's Nagla?
Me, Abdurrahman.
Abdurrahman? Yes, Abdurrahman. Read and circle the odd one out.
Number 1 is milk.
Okay, read the words first. Chicken.
Milk, fish, meat.
Yes, milk. Why do we have to choose milk, Abdurrahman? because all of these words are food that we can eat.
أنا
Chicken, we
مختلفة
can.
عشان
Yeah.
عشان هي مختلفة عشان هي مختلفة عن الدجاج.
Yes. Do we drink chicken or eat chicken? Eat. Okay. Do we eat fish or drink fish?
Eat.
Eat. Do we eat meat or drink meat?
Eat.
Okay. Here the word milk. Do we eat milk or drink milk?
Drink.
Drink. So all of these are food that we can eat, except the word milk is a drink. We cannot eat milk. We just drink milk. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Thank you. Let's choose another one. Nisreen. Do you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Who are you?
عمر غزاوي.
Omar, yes. Read the words number 2, please.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Hospital. Cinema.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane. The odd one out is
Aeroplane.
aeroplane. Why, Omar? Why do we have to choose aeroplane? Because all of these are places that we can go. A restaurant is a place. Yeah. Hospital is a place. Cinema is a place. But aeroplane is a mean of transport or a mean of transportation. Thank you, Omar. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Omar. Okay. Let's now ask Mazen. Mazen. Do you hear me? Mazen. Mazen. Mazen.
You are.
Mazen, you heard now?
Yes.
Yes, number 3. Dream.
Dream.
Dream. Read the words. Dresses.
Dress.
Dress. Shirt.
Shirt. Skirt.
Skirt. The odd one out is?
Dream.
Dream. Why do we have to choose dream, Mazen?
Yeah?
Why do you have to choose dream? Why dream is the odd one out? Why? Because dress is a clothes. Shirt, skirt, because all of these are clothes except the word dream. Except the word dream. Very good.
Dream.
Thank you, Mazen. Thank you. Let's now ask another one. Let's ask Hushat. Number 4. Apples, grapes, evening, bananas. The odd one out is? Hello? The odd one out is? Apples, grapes, evening, bananas. Shahid. How are you? Hello? Oh my God. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, number 4, please. Apples. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, you hear me? Number 4.
Yeah.
Apples. The odd one out is the word?
Evening.
Evening. Why? Because all of these are fruits. Here, apples is a fruit, grapes is a fruit, bananas is fruit. but evening is not a fruit. So the odd one out is the word evening. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Thank you. Okay, let's now turn to the next page. Here we have the word evening, music, start, drive, crayon, cracker, cross, train, trade, creek. Again, evening, music, start, drive, canyon, cracker, cross, train, trade, creek. Okay. Look and answer the questions. Number 1, is this a cinema? Ali, is this a cinema?
Yes.
Yes, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Number 2, Ali, is this a bakery? Is this a bakery?
Yes.
Number two, is this a bakery? Huh? Complete your answer, please. Complete your answer. No, it isn't. Thank you. Ahmed Abdelminam. Ahmed, number 3, is this a museum? Is this a museum? Ahmed. Ahmed Abdelminam. Number 3, is this a museum? Huh?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Number 4, what is she doing? Number 4.
She is drawing.
She is drawing. Thank you, Ahmed. Very good. Thank you. Look and write 3 sentences. Let's ask Khalid Rif'i. Khalid Muhammad. Look and write 3 sentences. Huh?
I can see.
I can see. I can see a woman.
They want is ice cream.
They want, not they want. They want ice cream.
The ice cream is 2 pounds.
The ice cream is 2 pounds. Very good. Or I like ice cream. Excellent. Could you say them again? I can see a woman. Yes. Huh.
Woman.
I can see a woman. They want ice cream. I like ice cream. Yes, very good, Khalid. Thank you. Now let's move to the test on unit 10.
Welcome.
Let's ask Yusuf Hatem. Read and write true or false. Number 1, there is a hospital.
True.
There is a hospital. True. Where is the hospital?
False, false, false.
False. So number 1 is false. Number 2, there is a restaurant. True or false?
True.
Restaurant. True. Number 3, there is a museum.
True.
Here we have museum. True. There is chemists. There is a chemist. Here, this is a chemist. It's a true. So number 1 is false. Number 2, true. 3, true. And 4, true. Thank you. Let's now ask another one. Read and circle the odd one out. Ziad Nasser. Ziad Nasser. Museum.
Yes.
Museum.
Museum.
Cinema. Morning.
Cinema.
And hospital.
Morning.
The odd one out is morning. Number 2, Ziad again. Number 2, aeroplane, bird, bird, car, train. The odd one out is bird. Excellent. Number 3.
طب ده باسم زياد محمد مش راضي يجاوب.
Number 3. Was, am, is, are. The odd one out is was. Excellent. Thank you, Ziad. Now, Ziad Muhammad. Ziad Muhammad. Ziad, number 4. Ziad Muhammad. Ziad. Ziad Muhammad, number 4.
Okay. Number 4, 2, there,
3. Yes.
3, 4, 5.
4, 5. The odd one out is 2. Excellent.
مستر
Okay.
معاذ مستر مش زياد بس ده اسم اخوي.
اسم اخوك؟
ايوه ما هو انا دخلت الاكونت بتاعه اصلا ما فيش اكونت بتاعي.
طب مش المفروض تدخل باسمك عشان اعرفك؟
ايوه بس انا مش زياد محمد عبد المنعم.
طيب ماشي حاضر. شكرا.
بس انا حابة اغيره.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Muaz. Thank you.
Okay.
Now let's ask another one. Omar Abu Bakr, choose the odd one out. Sorry, choose the correct answer. Omar, space purse is this.
Yes.
Space
Yes.
when purse is this.
How?
Here we are asking about possessives because here the noun that we want to ask about, the something that we want to ask about. If you want to ask about the owner of the marker, you have to say whose marker is this or whose pen is this. Yusuf Izzat. Yusuf Izzat. Yusuf Izzat, don't make this again. I know you. So number 1, space purse is this. Here we have to choose whose. Why? Because whose is used to ask about possessives. I want to know the owner of this purse. Okay? So you have to ask with the question whose. Number 2, space these your glasses. Yes, Omar.
Is this your glass?
Here these is for plural. And here glasses, plural. So we have to ask with are these your